Thinking about buying a home in Michigan? Whether it's your first place, your forever home, or something in between, this playlist is your step-by-step guide to making that happen. I'm Justyn Nixon, a licensed real estate broker, a licensed mortgage loan originator, a licensed builder, and a lifelong Michigander. And I've spent nearly 3 decades helping people navigate the housing world from every angle. In this playlist, you'll find everything you need to know about buying a home here in Michigan, from getting pre-approved to choosing the right agent, to inspections, appraisals, and closing costs. I break it all down in plain English. Plus, I'll show you what's unique about Michigan's market, so you can avoid surprises and make confident decisions. My goal? To keep the process simple, stress-free, and yes, even a little fun. Because buying a home should be exciting, not overwhelming. With nearly 30 years of combined experience in real estate, lending, and renovations, I'll give you the straight answers and insider tips most buyers never hear. So dive into the playlist, follow along step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what it takes to buy a home in Michigan without the stress. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Now let's get into it.